Good morning, students. Today we are going with chapter 9, that is articles. So, what is articles? So, there are only three articles in English, that is a, an, and the. So, here is a short conversation between dog and Mac. Look at your book. Look, Mac, a eel, a eel. Shush, your bad grammar will cause a shark attack, or else the deep sea monsters will catch us. So, whose bad grammar? Dog. It's an eel, you silly dog. So, number one, a, an, and the are called articles in English. So, there are two types of articles. Number one is indefinite and number two, definite. So, what is indefinite articles? Indefinite means not clearly defined. A and N is called indefinite articles and the is called definite articles. Definite means sure or certain. Okay, there is two type of articles is there. Number one is indefinite, that is an, and number two is definite, that is called the. Or definite articles, this is the. So let us look at this sentence. Sammy wanted a kite, so his grandmother made him one. The kite she made was orange and blue. We use the definite articles when we talk about any one of the kind. We use the definite article to talk about one particular item, and the one particular item is here kite. So, before kite, we use the. We can use a before singular adjective or noun. So, what is singular? In grammar, singular means one thing, like bed, table, pen, ball, and singular adjective. So, what is adjective? Adjective and adjective describe a noun, like nouns quality, size, shape, or feelings. So, what is noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, or thing, like Ria, table. So, a is used before singular adjective or noun with consonant sound and n before adjective with vowel sound. So, what is adjective? Adjective. Adjective is describe a noun like noun's quality, size, shape, and feelings. Okay. So here vowel word. Vowel means A, E, I, O, U. This is vowel and rest is consonant. Okay. A waterproof tent. So a is used before singular adjective. So a waterproof tent, and n is used before adjective with vowel sound. E, A, E, I, O, U. This is vowel. So n is used before an emergency lamp. Same, a dark cloud, an ice cube, a brave girl, an interesting story. Exercise A. Grandma writes a poem in her camp diary. She miss the indefinite articles in her poem. Add them. What is indefinite articles? A and N. In my waterproof tent, I lie nice and dry, eating an apple, an egg, and a nutty pie. So A is vowel. So here A and N is consonant. So here written A. Using the. Use a or n when you mention a noun for the first time. Use the when you mention the noun a second time. It means repeating the noun and again and again. What we use the. Here is one example. Look at your book. One day a villager asked Nasiruddin Hudza a question. Nasiruddin Hodza a question. Nasiruddin Hodza felt the question was easy, so he answered the villager immediately. So here word villager, before villager what we use the. Same question, before question what we use the. Okay, so repeating the noun again and again, what we use the. Use the when there is only one of a certain thing. Only one, like sun is only one. sky also, and air also. So what we use? The. The sun, the sky, the air. Exercise B. Tick the correct article to complete the paragraph. Tick the correct articles to complete the paragraph. So here what we do? We only tick the proper or correct article. Next, the with proper noun. So what is proper noun? Proper noun are the name of specific people, place, thing or ideas like James, Delhi, etc. So use the before some proper nouns such as name of a most buildings and monuments, name of oceans, rivers, seas, names of places ending in plural s. Okay, like buildings, monuments, all are ending in plural s. The Qutub Minar, the Pacific Ocean, the British Islands, the People's Republic of China. So the is used before some proper noun. Okay. Exercise C. Tick the box after the sentence that is correct in each set. Here is two sets. Which one is correct? We have to tick over there. Using articles with countable and uncountable noun. So, what is countable and uncountable noun? Countable noun, anything that can be counted, that can be simply counted, like a dog, two house, two pencil, pen, like this. And what is uncountable? Uncountable noun are for the things that we cannot count with numbers, like rice, milk, water. These all things we cannot count because milk is liquid, water also liquid. Okay. So use number 4. Use a or n with uncountable noun using this form: a, n plus countable noun plus of plus uncountable noun. Example, a grain of sand. This is uncountable noun. We cannot count grain of sands. हम धूल मिट्टी को काउंट नहीं कर सकते. और शीट ऑफ पेपर, यस, शीट ऑफ पेपर को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. अगर वो शीट में होगा तो हम उस शीट को काउंट कर सकते हैं. We use the with uncountable noun when the listener, reader known the thing we are talking about. Example, the money is on the table. The rice is in the tin. Do not use the with uncountable noun when talking about something in general. When we are talking about something in general way, we do not use the with uncountable noun. So, example, please do not waste money. Rice is grown in many parts of Kerala. Exercise D. Rewrite the sentence that are incorrect. Insert the where necessary. So, this we have to write in correct way and insert the where there is necessary. So, all the PDF I will send you. Using no articles. So articles कहाँ कहाँ यूज नहीं होंगे. ओके. बिफोर पीपल्स नेम, लोगों के नाम के पहले. हाई, आर यू मिस्टर केविन हॉल्ट? हेलो, यस आई एम. Glad to meet you, Lewis. In expression that talk about meal, let's have breakfast together. Sure, how about meeting again for dinner? In expressions of time, yes, we'll see you at 6 o'clock. Can I show you the park on Sunday? So these all points where we cannot use articles. Exercise F. Filling the blanks with a, n, the or cross to show no articles. Whether there is no articles, we just over there cross. Okay. So students, thank you. I hope you all understand.